Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another daily recap video, and today we did really well actually. So what we traded was MBIO, as you can see right here. This is um, this is the pre-market little section right here. As you can see, I like numbered the pullbacks or whatever. So over the weekend, I went over my strategy again because I wasn't having the results that I wanted. So I went over the strategy, just did a little bit of analysis on my past trades, and decided that I needed to change it up to more of a momentum based strategy rather than a trend based strategy. And so I'll talk about my strategy a little bit, but I just wanted to show you what I did today. And so I numbered the pullbacks. First pullback, second pullback. This stock, when I was looking at it, was about 350, um, which is right where I wanted it. And then also the float, I think, was around 7 million. So 7 million outstanding shares, very tight float. And then it was the hottest stock of the day. And so I was just trying to focus on really the hottest stocks of the day because it's hard to go wrong when you're just focusing on that. Um, yeah, and then so I mean it was super volatile as we saw, and it had a great action. So shot up, came back, came up again, came back, shot up, and this is where I saw it. So it was up here, and so in my strategy, I was kind of focusing on the first three pullbacks. So after pullback one, still looking good. After pullback two, that's a super strong area. But I'm not trading the pre market, so I saw it during sort of its third pullback. You can actually see it very well on the 5 minute chart. So here you can kind of see this was kind of lumped in as like one pullback, maybe two. But then here, boom, it shot up, and that's where I got in along that pullback. And then I actually got out pretty much right before the next pullback. So going back to the chart here. This one I got in right as it opened, and then I got out like instantly pretty much because, dude, I don't know what was going on, but my thing was lagging, and I placed the order, and it didn't place the order for like 45 seconds. I was like, all right, and then it finally placed the order, but it was like coming back down, so I'm just ignoring that. That doesn't really count. Um, but honestly, I was trying to get in like around 365 because the volume was coming up. It was kind of you could tell it was the end of the pullback. And yeah, I would have held from there, which would have given me a little bit more profit, but not really. Um, so I got in right here, this candle. I got in at, I don't know, around 385. Had a really nice jump, sort of like a small pullback, but I was confident it was still cooking, and then boom, it had this like massive, just like literally 6 or 7 minutes of just straight climbing. So it started little, and right here I knew we were cooking on this trade because look, it's like a small green candle. Here we had some uncertainty, and then boom, we had more volume, another green candle, and then even more volume, and then here I got out like right at the top of this candle, and it was a profit of around 1,100 bucks, which should be my largest trade to date, which is awesome. And yeah, I got it right there, just because uh, there was if you look at the daily chart, there was some resistance here from the 200-day moving average. But honestly, I didn't look at it too much. I was kind of like, I'm good. Like that was a beautiful trade, and I wasn't extremely confident, which it went up like another minute, and then it kind of, was choppy. And now look at it, it's not doing so hot anymore. What could be a pullback, whatever. But yeah, I was really trying to focus on the first three pullbacks. So one, two, and then I got in at three, rode it up, and then got out. So uh, we're green for day one of the week. I'm really happy I went over my strategy, and yeah, let me know if you guys want any more of my strategy or anything. Just trying to work on everything, get better in every aspect, and it really helped just going back through my trades. All right, well, have a great week, guys, and I'll keep you posted on everything that I'm doing. All right, see ya.